Today, we'll be reviewing two popular internal hard drives, the Seagate BarraCuda 2TB and the Toshiba 1TB PS3 PS4 hard drive. We'll evaluate them in various categories to help you make the right choice for your needs. So let's get started. The Seagate BarraCuda 2TB is priced at $58, whereas the Toshiba 1TB PS3 PS4 hard drive is priced at $59. Though the difference is minimal, if you're on a tight budget, Seagate would be a better option for you. Seagate provides a higher capacity of 2 TB as compared to the Toshiba, which provides 1 TB. So if capacity is your priority, then the Seagate is a better option for you. Seagate BarraCuda 2 TB provides a faster speed of 7200 RPM as compared to the Toshiba 1 TB, which provides a 5400 RPM speed. So if speed is your priority, go for Seagate. Toshiba is specifically designed for PS3 and PS4 console upgrades, whereas Seagate can be used for any PC application. So if you're planning to upgrade your PlayStation console, Toshiba is the way to go. Seagate offers a 20-year warranty, whereas Toshiba comes with a 3-year warranty from the reseller. So if warranty is a priority, Seagate is a better option. That's it for our review of these two internal hard drives. Both these products have their pros and cons, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs. We hope this video has helped you make the right choice. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tech-related content.